Every morning, I wake up in my very beautiful and gorgeous multi-million-dollar beach house. Can hardly wrap my mind around it. I don't know if I'm coming or going. But I've experienced a lot of socioeconomics, wealth, poverty, the streets, and basically I'm telling you I've hit rock bottom. And I walk around my private beach every morning and my mind is always filled with ideas for the world. I think about beauty, a lot of beauty for the world. The sight of a beautiful woman or a beautiful man, a beautiful bouquet of colorful and vibrant flowers, a beautiful sky with clouds and birds chirping in trees, and even the waves crashing on a tropical beach. You see, we often advertise the beautiful things because we are attracted to it. It makes money. But the sense of beautiful is so prioritized. The objects of it is prioritized, and people who are not beautiful, even considered ugly, are forgotten and thrown away like trash. They are invisible. Homeless people are invisible and defeated. We are afraid to be like them, aren't we? But they are just normal people tossed out like trash due to not necessarily a system of government, but an unluckiness in their lives, because most people have hurt them because of people's greed and corruption over them. So it's not a system of government, it's a system of mental illness in the way we think about other people. Unluckiness is really important. Most people are greedy and corrupted, yes, and rocks can be resembled as our community. The beautiful prevails and not the pretty rock ever gets stepped over because we keep it. We put it in museums. And we destroy the ugly ones and we minimize the ugly ones. And so in the sociological imagination of you and your society and believing that we are all rocks, shouldn't we all be from underneath the shoe if we believe that homeless and non-homeless in our society equally have all hit rock bottom, just like all the rocks? Tyler Lord Hamilton, who is I? I've created a line of jewelry called Nature Hike Jewelry with Soul. These pieces of jewelry represent something deeper than the surface of what we see for ourselves. They represent all the hated, and they represent all the pushed out people, the pushed out rocks from society, such as the homeless. The story is what makes the jewelry upscale. This is your jewelry made by me for you to wear, because in that beauty I think of for the world, I think of it being put on you with rocks. And you rock my world, and I haven't even met you.
This is Nature Hike Jewelry, designed and created by Tyler Lord Hamilton. Each piece of jewelry is one of a kind. That's why they are so special. Not only are these pieces of jewelry beautiful and unique, they hold a deeper meaning and have a story. Fans and fashion icons are already lined up to buy these pieces. They are not sold in stores yet, but they soon will be in high-class markets. We are all so excited. Won't you purchase yours today? This right here is a video of how the artist Tyler Lord Hamilton makes his masterpieces.